I have been waiting weeks to be able to share this next collection with all of my crafty friends. And I am so excited it has finally arrived because I stink at keeping secrets. The Crafting with My Gnomies collection, designed by Becky Moore, features the most adorable crafty gnomes in a selection of bright colors, including lots of icons, crafting scissors and paint, yarn, sewing machines, typewriters, adhesive, craft supplies, and so much more. This collection includes a collection kit, 6 bright and bold double-sided 12 by 12 papers, 2 Color Me papers, a die paper, a 12 by 12 elements sticker sheet, ephemera, a stamp set with coordinating dies which are sold separately, a 6 by 6 paper pad, and 2 fun stencils. Let's take a look at each of the pieces in this fun collection. The first piece in this collection is the collection kit. You will get 2 of each of these bright and bold double-sided 12 by 12 papers, as well as a 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. The element sticker sheet features bold titles, tons of crafting supplies, a great assortment of crafty gnomes, sayings, lots of tabs, and a fun 12-inch border strip at the very bottom. Perfect for adding elements to all of your paper crafting projects. This paper is called Stash, and it features a bright multicolor basket weave pattern, which includes all of the fun colors in this collection. On the back, you will find a 2-tone red basket weave, perfect for mounting photos as a background on a card and more. These sweet gnome scrappers are sharing all kinds of craftiness, whether they are heading to a crop, knitting, stitching, taking photos, or paper crafting. They are sure to have tons of fun together. This paper also includes a blue background with tiny white polka dots. The Embellies paper includes a lovely array of tiny flowers on a black background, while the other side has tiny teal arrows on a mint green background. So Sweet was designed for crafters who sew, stitch, and do needlepoint, with fun icons that include yarn, thread, as well as buttons, beads, fabric, and sewing machines on this bright yellow background. This paper also includes tiny multicolored hearts on a bright white background. The Crafty Weekend paper was designed specifically for paper crafters in mind. Check out all the fun stamps, markers, adhesives, washi tape, albums, paper cutters, twine, as well as paint, and so much more. The Gnomies have some serious crafting plans with lots of fun supplies. This paper also has a fun multicolored stripe on the back that mixes beautifully with all of the other elements in this collection. If you love cut-aparts, be sure to check out the O Crop paper that features 2 4x6 cut-aparts as well as 8 3x4 cut-aparts, with a little something for every type of crafter. I love the fun dot pattern on the back with all of the bright colors in this collection on this bright green background. The die papers in this collection are a wonderful addition to your National Scrapbook Day festivities on Saturday, May 1st. There are a ton of full color elements that you can cut out with the coordinating dies, which are sold separately, to create fun make and takes for your events or design a bunch of cards for your crafty friends. This collection also includes a 12 by 12 die cutting paper from the Color Me collection that can be colored and cut out with the coordinating dies. The back of that paper features a fun selection of scissors that can be colored in or used just the way it is for a background. Like our other collections, PHOTOPLAY also offers a Color Me paper with 12 3x4 cut-aparts. The back includes a fun heart background that can be colored, ink blended, or used as a black and white background for your paper crafting projects. If you're a stamper, The stamp set includes 10 adorable stamps with the cutest crafty gnomes, including washi tape, a heart tag, these cute heart die cuts, as well as a few sentiments. The sentiments include this adorable shopping bag that says, "Want to go to the craft store?" The answer is yes, please. It also includes "Let's scrap together," "Handmade and heartfelt," "Eat, sleep, craft, repeat," as well as #craftyfriend. So much fun. Great for cards, great for elements on layouts. So cute. The Ephemera pack features 26 whimsical cardstock elements that include scrapbook phrases, fun crafting gnomes, frames, sayings, tickets, and tags that would make wonderful accents on cards, layouts, scrapbook albums, as well as journals. I love some of these sayings. Life is better with crafty friends, which is so true. So much paper, so little time. Yeah, I live by that one. Scrapbooks remind us that life has been good. Why buy when you can DIY? Crafty girls rock. Crafty days are the best days. And even better if they include pajamas. Scrapbook weekend. Crafty gnomes are the best. Tell your story. I'm a crafty girl. Color me happy. Love is a well-stocked craft room. How cute are those? I can see these mixing and matching beautifully with all of the different pieces in this collection. This collection also features a 6x6 paper pad that includes 2 of each of 12 double-sided patterned papers. The 6x6 paper pad includes 24 double-sided patterned papers. You get 2 of each of the fun designs. The smaller patterns lend themselves beautifully to card makers, decorating a planner, a traveler's notebook, or even die cutting. You will even find a few extra patterns that you won't find in the 12x12 paper as an added bonus. This collection hits a store near you just in time for National Scrapbook Day. What a perfect way to celebrate with your friends. Take lots of pictures with your gnomies and scrapbook all the fun memories with this adorable Crafting with My Gnomies collection. Wishing you a day filled with crafting fun. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to share it with a friend, leave a message, and click the thumbs up button at the bottom. Have a great day.